Okay, so what is a term insurance and how exactly does it work?
See, term insurance is the simplest plain vanilla life insurance given to an applicant. Okay, so the term assurance is something which you're covering against the uncertainty happening to somebody's life. Okay, just because they don't know or when the death can happen, so their family is depending upon them. So for that, they're covering it. It's a term plan. Okay. How does it work? So term insurance is a replica of a car insurance. Okay. I'll tell you how car insurance works so you can understand better. What is car is made up of? Metal. Okay. So that metal has some value. So you bought a car, you have some value for that car. So if some, in case if you go to hit somebody or if some damage happens, the insurance company will cover the damage, because when you take a car and if you go on the road, possibility of hitting somebody and getting damaged. So now the car insurance covers those damages. Now we'll replicate that with the human being. So what the car value is static and constant, but human life is not like that. Human life, we call it as human life value. Okay, for example, if somebody is a 30 years old person earning 5 lakh rupees of income per year, his value is more expensive than somebody is 45 earning 50 lakhs. I'll tell you why. Because this gentleman who's young has lot of time for him to earn. It's a reciprocal income. It's continuously getting money, 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 and it's a loss for the family and more time. So for a 45-year-old person, so the death happens, maximum would have worked for next 15, 20 years. But this person will work for next 30 years. So term assurance is basically protecting your family in case of death happens by a bread earner and to continue to have a same lifestyle. Okay. So two things happens. When death happens, there is a financial problem and there is an emotional problem. 100% sure we can't fix the emotional problem. As an instrument, as an insurance advisor, I can able to solve a financial problem. Let me take an example. So there is one person working at the age of 35, and the children are going to school. The family has a goal to make them to go for a higher education. What if the person dies at 40? Who will take care of that educational expenses? So then he can protect that with a taking term plan. If I am there, I will take care. If I am not there, my term insurance will take care. A simple one. So car insurance, people explicitly do it because without that they will not register the property, register the car. But term insurance, people try to extend, which is a cheaper one. I will postpone it, all those things. So, in the simplest format, you are covering financially to protect your family in case of death. Okay, in the future term, it's called term plan. Simple.